welcome to another episode of Stock Talk. I am your host, Mike, and with me I have Noodles and company, and then I also have Caneo.
Boy Conejo tonight.
Yeah, we got a decent show planned for you tonight. One of the first stocks we're going to talk about, because we failed to mention it last week. Some of you might think it's not hot because it went down, but it was at a cent. I didn't get the shout out from William Morgan, but I appreciate him hitting us up on the show and everything like that. But I'm giving a shout out to him tonight because this is one of his favorites there. NSAV, NSAV. If you haven't checked it out, you should check it out now. Net Savings Link Incorporated. Last tick on this one was 0.0088. Going to the chart, you saw some resistance last week, and then you started to see down the chart going a little far down because the shorties were trying to get out. There was some big news that happened with it this week, and I missed it last week, so that's why I want to cover it. Because some of your other stuff out there, guys, is kind of stale right now. Going on to what would you say they do here? They're an integrated technology company that provides turnkey technological solutions, cryptocurrency, blockchain, digital asset industries, and the firm provides a range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, advisory, financial solutions, and information technology. The company was founded in February 21st, 2007, and is headquartered in Mountain Home, Pennsylvania. Going on to StockTwits, because that's where the real traders are at. We don't have Kage again because he's out with a mysterious illness, but he'll be back hopefully the next day or two. One of the things we have on the Twits is We Smart says, man, I'm pretty deep into NSAV, first time again to OTC, and now I see it more clearly. There is no real value here, just flipping, scalping opportunities. Tread very carefully as any new investors. Yeah, if you're a new investor, he is correct. That is a good take. You do not want to get into anything, especially that's under a penny, if you have something to risk. I would say do paper trading or just some of those new things and see how you do. Now, one of the takes says he's too in far deep. These things tend to change after 4 or 5 years.
Too deep?
He's saying he's in too deep and he's not back at the hotel. Going to do some of this stuff. You need to go back to paper trading there. It looks like Nightmare on Wall Street says this is a positive step. It's not a perennial favorite. Everyone was dreaming about will add through exposure and growth. The other acquisitions will promise should add value in time. More acquisitions were in the works. BW has not been announced as far off of the tables as the continued perpetual maintenance. But think about it. If you know and undergo significant necessary upgrades, you would hold off on closing the deal if it completes. That was one of the possibilities that could propel this upward. And then he has his best advice there. I'm going to tell you that at one point in time, this stock was higher after around the 2021, 2020, 2020 range. That was with your surgence of cryptocurrency. If you can recall, 10, 15 years ago, this thing was in the crapper tank. So it's a long haul, and there's a game here. You should not get frustrated. Do you guys believe that they should be frustrated? Some of this is a down market as far as how it goes, and these things play out. Sometimes they don't pan out, and sometimes they do. It just, if you already lost a bunch of money, why are you just dumping out now? You know what I mean? It's kind of weird, wouldn't you say?
Yeah. See if it rebounds.
Yeah, you might as well just sit it out anyway and just sit back and hopefully it goes. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But you're just fueling into the Wall Street people that want to be like, hey, dude, he's just throwing out the cheap seats. I'm going to come in there and grab the cheap seats. So going on to huge news here. Let me go down here. Looks like Net Savings League cryptocurrency blockchain digital asset technology company today announced the company's significant definite acquisition agreement for AWC, centralized cryptocurrency exchange. In addition, AWC management projects that the exchange reaches 5,000 users based on $100 per average per trading user. The estimated monthly income will be $1,500,000 at 10,000 users based on $250 average. Daily trading per user and estimated monthly income is at $7,500,000. The existing AWC management will continue to operate in the exchange for both continuity as a high standard service. The management of NSAV released the following statement. As our shareholders are aware, longstanding goal of the company to acquire an operating CEX. They're thrilled for the excitement of NSAV shareholders and make in general in weeks leading up to the foremost signal of this deal. NSAV's vision of established fully integrated technology company, which provides turnkey solutions in cryptocurrency, blockchain, and digital asset industries over time. The company plans to provide a wide range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, financial services, advisory services, and information technology. And they once were in the cannabis market. They possibly still might be. I don't know. That was back in the day. But with this company right here, anything can happen here. And so I would say with it being under a dollar. On the board here, we got Hog as well. It says Jay-Z Mannix says, they have an operating CX that automatically generates revenue, bigger deals to follow. Let this digest the news and we will bounce. So that's what he says there. Izito21XX says, a lot of people were trying to flip a penny and now complain. Exactly. This is my point, guys. Anything under $1 is a risk. If you're sitting here and you have bull takes saying it's a waste of money, this and that, I got to suspect you. You're suspect because are you trying to get cheap seats out there from everybody and trying to get people discouraged of selling? I'm just saying, is that far of a reach, guys?
No.
There's always motivation on here as far as what people are trying to do. So don't listen to the. Sorry. So going into the news article here. The management of NSAV released the following statement. As a shareholder, we are aware of the long-standing goal of the company to acquire an operating CEX. We are thrilled to see excitement among NSAV shareholders and make in general in the weeks to come for the formal signing of this deal. NSAV's vision of the establishment of fully integrated technology company, which provides turnkey technological solutions to cryptocurrency, blockchain, and digital asset industries. Over time, the company plans to provide a wide range of services such as software solutions, e-commerce, financial services, advisory, and information technology. Going back onto the boards here, let's see what other comments we got here, because this is going to be one of the most interesting boards because it's a retail trader board. Let's see, OD Dynamics. We got a bunch of memes here. The freaking Wall Street people don't like the memes, the big dogs, huh there, guys?
Heck no.
No, they don't like them there. Dollars, this is right up your alley there, Cameo. He says, just like Per Unit recently tweeted that indicated the exchanges have a feeling that this was one of the main sequence of events, not to mention conference that's happening this week. He puts out on there that regarding the BW Crypto Exchange, the letter of intent proposed the acquisition by NSAV. Of course, it's still on. So Cameo and Noodles, they do have some revenue coming in here. Does that excite you a little bit? Or are you still suspect because...
Some days more than guys, some days more than others, guys. But I see a lot of bullish here.
Are you doing your doggy?
Yeah, I'm sick.
321, he's coming in hot here. He says it's most likely a bunch of us trying to warn people about this is a scam. Or do you guys think this is a scam, or it's just that there's nowhere to hide in the investment world, wouldn't you say? And there's recorrections and bad economy and things like that. This guy's trying to blame the stock. Is it possible that a lot of these were overvalued, or is that just far of a reach, guys? Are we coming in too hot here?
Well, I don't know. We need to call Kage and ask him.
My thing is that this thing is under a penny. This thing is a penny under a penny. It hits around that range. Anything under $1 obviously is higher risk. And the market itself is a casino.
It's like gambling, dude.
Yeah, it really is. And so for them to say, "Oh, this is a scam and this is that," it's freaking funny and hilarious, man. When you read this stuff, you got another guy that he posted some spam and he changed it to scam. So there's a lot of people that are butthurt on this board, man.
Well, I don't know why people are butthurt.
Well, you know why is because I'll read some more. I'm not going to read any more comments because the people that are leaving.
They sound grody, dude.
Well, they just sound like they're trying to grab cheap stock. I think that's what they're trying to do. I think they're getting people to dump so they can grab their cheap stuff. What do you guys think?
It sounds like they're trolling.
Yeah, it sounds like they're trolling hard and seeing what people would take the bait. So we'll have to see where this news goes out. And no, we're not promoters or anything like that. What we do is we go with the news and let you know what's happening with this one. We have done a review on this one, so we're not going to cover any more on the website. You guys can go look, check it out for yourself, or go back to the other videos there. I'm going back to the next one. It was fun being in Pennyland. Are you guys fun being in Pennyland? Where everybody? I didn't realize that Pennyland was scratching this hard. Did you?
No, I didn't.
Man, they're eating their own on the board, man.
I thought we were gonna go to Happy Land.
All
Or
right.
Neverland.
Here's the stock we have is WE. We Work Incorporated. Last tick was $2.22. Going to the chart, well, you see some resistance starting to pop up here in October, and then we got a drop off here. You have the drop off. Obviously, we know what that's from. That's from the wonderful economy we have. So there's that correction, and don't take it more. I love how people before on the other board though were blaming. Saying this was a scam and that was a scam, and they don't understand that like the economy's in the crapper tank. That's some of why your stocks are down. We Work Incorporated engaged in the provision of flexible workspace solutions. It offers access to office spaces, internet connection, and other shared facilities. The company was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in the People's Republic of New York, New York. Going on to what would you say they do here? Let's go into the website so people have a little education of where. Never mind. Can you guys see that or no?
I see Google.
Yay! It freaking just tanked on me here. Let me just cut that. Editing should be fun tonight, man. Okay, so going on the website looks pretty decent for $2.22. What do you expect, huh? Good setup here. It says, give your business the space it deserves with free office for up to 2 months when you sign up for a minimum commitment. So you have that on here. You also have Find Your Perfect Workspace. Whether you team up with a growing startup or a Fortune 500 company, we have flexible solutions. You can go to Dirty Lake. You can go to Phoenix there. They have all, you can search in Vague. They have your perfect setup to help you find office space. Office space for 1 to 20, a dedicated desk, 1, a hot desk, 1, a meeting room. What do you guys think of the hot desk there, Camille?
Is that like that? Is that like that real estate thing that's on TV where they sell and buy?
Camille, the girls don't come with the stock though. Just to let you know when you're investing in that. I'm gonna tell you that. Sorry about that.
Not me.
Oh yeah. Hog, if you're out there, the girls don't come with the stock, just to let you know. Get daily access to co-worker spaces near with 1 monthly membership. Work from co-working spaces, meeting rooms, and private offices near WeWork All Access. Now up to 20% off for 6 months. No long-term commitment required. Terms apply. Get the workspace you need where you need it, and you can focus in on your business. Flexible spaces that meet your needs. Workspace where you want it. Do your work at the best place anywhere. 700 plus prime locations, each filled with business essentials and a friendly community. How friendly do you think the community is there?
Not friendly enough.
No. And here's some of your favorite companies, guys, that are powering the world at work. You have Pfizer, you have Samsung, Microsoft, Salesforce, Visa, and Zoom. Their commitment to health and safety. All buildings and everything are sanitized with heavy sanitizer. Hopefully, it says on here with non-cancerous agent. No, I'm just kidding, guys. That was a joke. Probably get. So,
where are the cameras?
It looks pretty sanit. They look really clean. That's good. The importance of flex. What's up?
Where's the cameras? They got to be watching us from somewhere if you go in there.
Don't worry. I'm sure they do, especially if you have something. If you have some people that you're trying to make sure it doesn't get stolen, you definitely want to, make sure you have the security for your stuff there because you never know these days. The importance of flexible office spaces. The Cushman and Wakefield study finds flexible offices that are an important component of the workspace ecosystem. A full remote global communications platform scales 6 ways to work on demand to save the day. Whether in a new city or escaping house guests, I'd rather have the house guests and go to the office for work and attend all the meetings. What about you?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, boring. I'd rather deal with the house guests than go escape to the office. That doesn't sound fun at all. So
yeah.
I take my worst house guests over being at a meeting for work. Sorry. I'd rather socialize with the work guest. That's just the home guest. Going on to stock twits, because that's where the real traders are at. Camille, what do you have on the twits?
Mountain Dew.
Don't you want to say? I'm seeing a lot of bulls here on the boards because Camille's not here.
I'm seeing a lot of bullish.
So looks like SK Blast says, is it worth it to open the options with the upgrade to the CNBC? That was funny there, Rudy. Did you see that?
No.
He says it worth it to open options with the upgrade on CNBC. He's freaking trolling CNBC there because they give terrible financial advice, man.
Oh, nice.
He said, there was no interest, but decent upgrade for sure. They definitely need they need an upgrade on staff and workspace on CNBC. So maybe they can get Kramer a new office space here, huh?
There you go.
You have weather. Remember, the best economy we've ever had. So taking a look at,
Very strong. That's why that's why these stocks are all so strong right now.
He's like, heading into 2022, I see a very bleak outlook, and looking into 2023, it's even worse now. We're just trying to pad it for the midterms or something like that, right? Taking a look at WE this morning, increasing volume and price action is relatively large public float. This is a heavily shorted and 52. Yeah, I'm thinking that they're coming in on the shorts on this. That's the only reason why they're coming in. Let's go to the news here, the Alphabet news, and check what we got. The boards are okay, but they're kind of still. Let's see here. We work. News. Let's see what's popping in the news. Why the shorties are coming after us. Oh, he actually was a CNBC fan. So let me erase that take. He wasn't trolling them. I thought he kind of was. But if you're taking any advice from these guys, you got a problem there. Sorry, I don't mean to like fry your eyes there, Noodles, but we're on NBC and CNBC, so that's got to kind of trouble you there.
My neck turns the other way.
Yeah, they're slowly hunting for insurrectionists nationwide, I heard. So let's see what they say about... If this is showing up on there, you know the shorts are coming in if it's on this channel, huh? We work. Oh, Jim Cramer. Our favorite guy. Okay, why are they promoting here? Are they trying to hook up their friends? Let's see. The office sharing company jumped 3.8% in pre-market. Cantor Fitzgerald rated it overweight in a new coverage. Cantor notes that $2.7 billion in expenses have already removed through the cost cuts. So basically, even CNBC is running away from this. They do not want. It's popping, but they don't want to have any part of this either. Apparently, they're writing what analysts from you think. So there you have it on that. So. Do you have anything on this? What do you think? This is probably just another dead cat bounce on this one. I have dead cats on the freaking boards posted on here too, guys.
Yeah, I'm not interested.
No, it's you guys can put it on your watch list, but it's not a favorite of mine. I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying it's just not one that I particularly care for. So you guys got anything to add before we snack out of here?
Not at all.
No? Just
never mind.
Yeah. Be safe and watch your wallet. Don't make it a dog show. And good night now.
Eat your vegetables.
Yeah, definitely eat your vegetables.
I was gonna say an AOC thing, but I decided not to.
No, you can do that one.
Oh, I can do the broken clock one.
Oh yeah, do it. Do you have anything to add here, Mr. Gasparino? Not to be mistaken with the original Gasparino. On TV, what would you have to say?
Have a good night, and remember, AOC is still dumber than a broken clock because a broken clock is right twice a day.
Check out her makeup channel on Twitter too, by the way, right, Camille?
Yes, sir.
Yep, and be safe out there. Watch your wallet, and hopefully we're positive Akage. Peace.